What you'll need is about 3 teaspoons of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, small pinch of salt, 200 milliliters of whole milk, 100 milliliters of black coffee, 2 teaspoons of condensed milk, and this is completely optional, some whipped cream. Take a saucepan and put it on a fire. Add in your milk, vanilla sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, pumpkin puree, the condensed milk, and finally our coffee. Take a whisk and give everything a real good stir. Let the milk heat up while stirring so that everything incorporates nicely. There we go, everything is incorporated and nice and hot. Now let's serve it up. Take a nice glass and pour your pumpkin spice latte in there. And then just finish it off with some whipped cream. And there you go, you have yourself some nice pumpkin spice latte.